In physics, we are going to deal with the variables and constant. So, therefore, on the basis of dimension, we are going to discuss about these different types of variables and constant. So, student, we can have some of the constant. They can be dimensionless, while some of the constant they can be having this dimensional. Some of the variable they have dimension, while some of the variable they do not have any dimension. Okay, so over there on the basis of dimension we are going to that place them in four category. Okay, so let us to look over here that with some of the example which is related to those constant which are dimensionless. Okay, so for that one example, as I'm going to consider, it is pi. So pi, it is measured in a radian, and its value you can take it is as 3.14, or either it is as 22.7, or if we have to take its value in the that of degree, so it is 180 degree. Okay, this is the value of that pi. So this pi, it is constant, but it do not have any dimension. Okay, and the second thing is there that it is e. So e exponent that we are having, so this is also one of the constant, but this constant do not have any unit, and it do not have any dimension. Now the next that we are taking over here, that those variable which is having dimension. सो वेरिएबल मीन्स जो चेंज करते रहते हैं और जिनके फिर भी डायमेंशंस होते हैं, जैसे हम एग्जांपल लेते हैं दैट इट इज़ एरिया। ठीक है, तो एरिया जो है हमारे पास लेंथ ब्रेड्थ चेंज कर सकती हैं, सो देयरफॉर इट इज़ हैविंग यूनिट एज वेल एज इट इज़ हैविंग डायमेंशंस। ओके, नेक्स्ट दैट वी कैन से अबाउट दिस वन, इट इज़ ऑफ वेलोसिटी। तो जो वेलोसिटी है वो हमारे पास चेंजेबल है। ठीक है, तो वेलोसिटी जो है डायरेक्शन के साथ, मैग्नीट्यूड के साथ चेंज हो जाती है, तो इसलिए वेरिएबल है, बट स्टिल दिस इज हैविंग डायमेंशन। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास दैट वी कैन टेक इट इज एज फोर्स। सो फोर्स इज also said to be as that of dimensional variable. Okay, because its magnitude and direction that it can change. So therefore we are having these physical quantities, they are having their dimension and they are going to change. Now the next that we are taking over here, the some example that those constant which are having their dimension. Okay, these are constant, but still what they have dimension. So therefore we are going to say, as we said, that in law of gravitation F is equal to z m1 m2 upon में r square. So there we said that g is what, 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11, and its unit were Newton meter square per kilogram का square. Okay, so this g, it was the gravitational constant. So this gravitational constant was having its unit as well as it is having its dimension. Okay, so therefore we are having this is a constant, but it is having its dimensional formula as well. Similarly over there, that in case of electrostatics, the force between the two charges, it is given by that first charge into second charge upon my square of the distance between them, where this k, it is said to be that of electrostatic constant, and its value was over there 9 into 10 to the power 9, and it is a Newton meter square per coulomb ka square. This was the value of this constant. So this constant, even though it is a constant, but still it is having its dimension. So that's what we are saying over here, that there could be some of the constant which can have their dimension, as well as we said over here that there are the some of constant which were dimensionless. Now over here we said that there are some of the variable which is having their dimension, and now here the last case which we are going to study over here, that there are some of the variable which are still dimensionless. Now which are these? So let us look over here, that it is as relative density. So relative density, how do we define it? It is the density of the substance upon में that density of water at 4 degree Celsius. Okay, so over there that this density is going to change, that substance density it is going to change, so therefore relative density will also be changeable, but still you will find that this relative density do not have any unit and it is not having any dimension. Okay, so thus we get over here that these are what, these are the variable but still they are dimensionless. Next is that one, that it is if we are going to look over here that of strain. ओके, सो स्ट्रेन क्या हो जाता है हमारे पास, मतलब कि जैसे हम एक रबड़ को क्या करते हैं, स्ट्रेच करते हैं, तो उसकी क्या हो जाती है, लेंथ चेंज हो जाती है, तो इसलिए हमारे पास क्या हो गया, चेंज इन लेंथ अपॉन में ओरिजिनल लेंथ, चेंज इन लेंथ अपॉन में दैट ऑफ इनिशियल लेंथ, दैट यू कैन टेक इट इज इनिशियल लेंथ। ठीक है, तो हमारे पास दैट वी कैन टेक ओवर है, चेंज इन लेंथ इज डेल्टा एल एंड इनिशियल लेंथ लेट इट बी एल। ठीक है, तो हमारे पास क्या हो गया कि हाउ मेनी टाइम दैट लेंथ हैव चेंज, सो दिस इज गिवन बाय दैट स्ट्रेन। सो ओवर हियर यू विल फाइंड दैट that change are variable, okay, but still that we are getting that strain, it is dimensionless, क्योंकि जो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों सेम क्वांटिटी है, दोनों के यूनिट कैंसिल हो जाते हैं, इसलिए दोनों के जो डायमेंशंस जो है हमारे पास नहीं होंगे। ठीक है, तो जो हमारे पास स्ट्रेन है वो क्या हो गया, एक डायमेंशनलेस जो हमारे पास वेरिएबल बन जाता है। सिमिलरली ओवर देयर इफ वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ अबाउट एंगल, ठीक है, तो एंगल जो है हमारे पास वैसे इसकी यूनिट की अगर बात करें, सो यूनिट इट इज़ मेजर्ड इन रेडियन और स्टेरेडियन, बट जब इसके डायमेंशन की बात करें सो इट डू नॉट हैव एनी डायमेंशन, नो डायमेंशन। ओके, सो इम्पॉर्टेंट टू नोट ओवर हेयर कि हमारे पास कुछ एक फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज़ ऐसी भी होंगी जिनके यूनिट्स तो होते हैं बट दे डू नॉट हैव द डायमेंशन। ठीक है, तो उसमें आप एग्जांपल दे सकते हो कि एंगल हमारे पास इनकी यूनिट तो होती हैं बट दे डू नॉट हैव एनी डायमेंशन। नेक्स्ट थिंग ओवर देयर कि हमारे पास जो कुछ कांस्टेंट ऐसे हैं जिनके डायमेंशंस होते हैं। ठीक है, तो कांस्टेंट के डायमेंशंस होते हैं, ठीक है, इवन दो दे आर कांस्टेंट बट स्टिल दे हैव डायमेंशन, एंड देयर आर सम ऑफ द कांस्टेंट विच डू नॉट हैव देयर डायमेंशन, तो जिसमें पाई की बात आ जाती है या फिर ई की बात आ जाती है, सो दीज आर डायमेंशनलेस कांस्टेंट, एंड देयर आर दोज वेरिएबल विच कैन हैव देयर डायमेंशन एंड विच कैन नॉट हैव देयर डायमेंशन। ठीक है, तो इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट टू नोट ओवर हेयर कि हमारे पास ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डायमेंशन ये जो 4 कैटेगरीज हैं वो हो सकती हैं। सो देयर कुड बी द क्वेश्चन विच इज़ बेस्ड ऑन दिस वन कि give the example of dimensionless constant, or give the example of that physical quantity which have unit but do not have any dimension। ठीक है, जिनके यूनिट तो होते हैं लेकिन डायमेंशन नहीं होते, तो उसमें एंगल you need to mention in that one। okay, so this is from my today's video that was regarding to different types of variable and constant on the basis of dimension। so here you can check that one, if you want to take the screenshot, so you can take the screenshot of this one, and that remaining part now over here, so for this you can take the screenshot। so thank you for watching।